welcome or welcome back to Sketch School of Art and Creativity. I hope that all of you are doing well. So today's video is going to be regarding NATA 4th attempt examination. Now in the history of NATA examination, NATA has never organized a 4th attempt. It's the first time that NATA is organizing a 4th attempt. Okay, so there might be various reasons behind this. Maybe students who had qualified NATA examination, there might be a lot of students who might be mailing them, calling them, and registering their complaint that they have not got minimum 50% in their board examination, so asking to relax the eligibility criteria. That might be the case. Or maybe there might be a lot of students who don't have chemistry and they only have physics and mathematics apparently, so subject might also be a problem for many students, and they might have got a lot of complaints from the side of the students. So these might be the reasons. That is why they have relaxed the eligibility criteria, and also there might be less admissions this time. So there are a specific number of seats which are given by COA to all the colleges. So it might this is a possibility that the seats are not getting filled completely, so that is why they want more and more students to join architecture, and this is like a last chance for the students who have decided that they want to do architecture, but for some reason they could not take admission till now. Or maybe if you have decided very late that you want to do architecture and you did not give the NATA examinations, all the 3 attempts beforehand, so maybe this is the chance now that you can sit for the 4th attempt examination, do good preparation, and get into a good college. Now it's very important to understand that many colleges are there, like CEPT University, many other colleges as well, जिनका पहले से ही फॉर्म आ चुका है. So they've already released their forms, they've already completed the admission procedure, and the colleges are also they have started, the session has started, session for 2024 is already started. So you cannot take admissions into those colleges now, right? So the counseling process for the colleges is not going to change, it's not going to stop. जो चल रहा है वही चलेगा, जिसका हो गया वो हो गया, ठीक है. It is not going to stop or change now. So now why you should give NATA examination, who should give NATA examination, who should consider giving NATA examination 4th attempt now, that is this video all about. So I'm going to give you the complete information, and I'm also going to explain you a little bit more things that you have to keep in mind for NATA 2024. So guys, there can be many possibilities. Number one is, of course, that if you have decided now that you want to do architecture, boom, very good opportunity for you guys. Sit for the NATA 4th attempt examination, because there are only 2 ways that you can do architecture in India. One is that you qualify NATA examination, second that you qualify JEE B.Arch examination, which is conducted by NTA, right? So either the 2 examinations you need to qualify, right? Now if you have decided right now, you have to understand that the better your score is, right? So if your score is like 140 or 130 or 150, you have a chance to get into good colleges. Now I would say that some colleges are of course there jinki ab selection band ho chuki hai, right? But there are still some colleges like Sushant University, you can say Manipal University. There are a lot of private other colleges which are really good, and they also have a minimum cutoff. It's not like you're getting 70 or 75 or 80 and they're going to take you. It's not like that. So they also have a minimum cutoff. So the better your score is for NATA examination, the better your college will be. Okay, so I don't think that you should miss this opportunity and just set a target to qualify this examination. You should set a target to score as much better as possible and as much of a better score as possible, right? So work hard, prepare well. 15 days is also sometimes enough, and the paper might be very easy and you might score a lot of very good score. So please prepare. But if you will not prepare, then 100% you will not be able to score a very good marks, because preparation equals good marks. If you're not prepared, you will not score good marks. That's not going to happen. Okay, so NATA में तुक्का नहीं चलता है. You should actually know the topics, and you should have prepared the topics, right? So it's very important to understand this point. Suppose you are having physics, maths and biology, and you have already read the eligibility that it's PCM compulsory, so you do not give the NATA examination. Now is the time. Give NATA 4th attempt and take admission into architecture colleges, right? So this is the second possibility. Third is, if you have scored very low marks, in the 3 attempts of NATA examination, suppose you have scored between 70 to 80 or even 70 to 100, which is a low score somewhat. So you can sit for the 4th attempt and try to score more and more better to get a better college. So it's very important, guys, that you upgrade your score. Upgrading your score means upgrading your college. So why not? You know, even Riddhi had taken admission into Manipal before. I just uploaded a video just before, you know, I think yesterday or day before yesterday. Please check that video out. See, she has already taken into Manipal because people take admission into different colleges for the safer side, and then when the CEPT results came, she got into CEPT, and now she has, you know, shifted her admission into CEPT University. So even if you've taken admission into any other college and you feel that, you know, the college is not good enough and you need a better score to get into a better college, please do that. Give NATA 4th attempt. It's of course you are not sure that you will get a very high score, but you can try that. It's a possibility that you can upgrade your college, right? Now guys, whatever your reason is to give NATA 4th attempt examination, you should actually know all the details regarding the NATA 4th attempt examination and also regarding the preparation. So let us talk about the little bit of the details and how to prepare in this last 15 days, and how you can actually score top marks in the NATA 4th attempt examination. Let's start with that. So first I will explain a little bit, you know, the notice to you regarding the NATA 4th attempt examination, and then I will also tell you some tips and tricks and some strategies which you can follow to score good marks in the NATA examination. So guys, if you read the notice right now, there are 2 points which are very, very important. The first point states that, you know, now instead of chemistry, so earlier the criteria was that you should have physics, mathematics and chemistry, so PCM student aap hone chahiye the. Now instead of chemistry you can have other subjects as well, which is biology and computer science and, you know, business studies, and other subjects are also there. Please read this notice also. Okay, so now वो हटा दिया गया है. पहले ये था कि PCM में भी आपके मिनिमम 50% होने चाहिए, which lot of students did not have. So I think this might also be a major reason that why, you know, they are giving 4th attempt, because a lot of students did have aggregate marks 50%, मतलब पांचों सब्जेक्ट मिला के उनके 50% थे, बट सिर्फ पीसीएम में बहुत बच्चे के 50% नहीं थे. तो अब वो चीज़ को हटा दी गई है, एंड नाउ इट्स ओनली लाइक दैट यू शुड हैव 45% मार्क्स इन एग्रीगेट इन योर 12th बोर्ड्स. अगर आपके 12th बोर्ड्स में 45% मार्क्स हैं मिनिमम, देन यू आर एलिजिबल फॉर द नाटा 4th attempt examination and even to do architecture in 2023. Okay. Now this is very, very important. Second point is also very, very important. The candidate needs to qualify an aptitude test, which is either JEE or NATA. JEE तो अब दोबारा होगा नहीं, 2024 में होगा आप सीधा, बट NATA अभी 4th attempt आपके पास है, एंड आपका 1 साल बच जाएगा if you just sit for the 4th attempt and just prepare for the 4th attempt. Even if you have dropped, अगर आप ड्रॉपर हो और आपने सोच लिया था कि भाई मैं तो 2023 में ड्रॉप कर चुका हूँ, अब मैं 2024 में एग्जाम दूंगा या दूंगी, प्लीज़ प्रिपेयर फॉर दिस 15 days एंड सिट फॉर द 4th attempt ऑल्सो. ओके, चलो September 17 को एग्जामिनेशन होगा to felicitate the eligible aspirants with one final opportunity to appear for the NATA for the purpose of admission to B.Arch degree course this time. And last point यही है जो important है, that it may be noted that admission of successful candidates in 4th attempt NATA shall only against vacant unfilled seats available at various institutions. तो मतलब जो भी चीज़ें अभी चल रही हैं, जो भी प्रोसेस अभी चल रहा है, वो अब रुकेगा नहीं, but of course there are many institutions which are still having vacant seats and seats which are unfilled, so you will be eligible to to take admission into those colleges which are still having the unfilled or vacant seats. Now guys, I hope that you have understood the entire idea behind why NATA 4th attempt is being held and who is eligible for NATA 4th attempt examination. Now let's come to the preparation part, that how you can prepare for the NATA 4th attempt examination. So for you guys, we have launched a very, very special course which is especially for NATA 4th attempt. So जब से ये आया था notice, we took our time to ready this course basically, where we have shortlisted a few topics which are very important, because now it's not much time is there. So we have shortlisted a few topics from our study material, and we have shortlisted a few live classes. So about 80 to 100 live classes. So it's about 80 to 100 hours which you have to give now. Okay, even if you're like sitting for 10 hours a day, you still have a lot of hours. So even if you're given just 80 to 100 hours, which is possible, guys, I know it's tough, but it's possible. So we have shortlisted live classes like about worth 80 to 100 hours, and a few topics from our study material. So it's specifically designed for NATA 4th attempt, and keeping in mind the topics which were having the highest weightage and which were very scoring. So once you read the topic, question is 100% going to come from that topic. So we have kept in mind all these things, and then we have shortlisted the topics and the live classes. So you will not get live classes, it's all recordings of the live classes that you will get. Just the reason being that हम कितनी भी live class कर लें, if you have the recordings of the live classes, you can sit for like straight away 8 hours a day, 9 hours a day, 10 hours a day, and it will be very helpful for you. But it will be very difficult for us to provide you with 10 hours of live classes per day. It's not possible for us. So that is why studying from recording will be the best option in this last moment that you can have, right? So now I will show you my website, that how you can enroll in this course. So guys, when you will visit our website, basically you will see a page like this. Now if you will scroll down a little bit below, you will see the what courses we offer section, and then when you will click on NATA JEE B.Arch, which is architecture entrance preparation courses, you will see various courses, right? So when you will scroll a little bit more down, you will see the NATA 2023 4th attempt crash course, and you can click on explore now over here, right? And when you will click on explore now, you will get the complete details of this course, which you can go through it, right? So NATA 2023 4th attempt crash course price is only 1,999, which is very, very affordable, and the quality which you will get is going to be top notch, and it's going to be very good. Okay, so the duration is available of course till 17 September, which is the day of the examination. And if I go to the details, what will you get in this course? Basically 100 plus recordings of the live classes, which is shortlisted by us. So there were many live classes, but total of 80 to 100 live classes are shortlisted by us. Then ebooks on all the topics mentioned below, which is basically all these topics. So these are all the topics which can possibly come in the NATA examination, and you will have access to the customized ebooks which is made by architects on all these topics. There are 300 plus topic based tests. So not all the topics require the topic based test, but almost all the topics are having multiple topic based test, which will, suppose you are doing आर्किटेक्चरल encyclopedia से अगर आप building construction कर रहे हो, so there are multiple tests on building construction topic alone, right? So after completing the topic building construction, you can give the tests on building construction, which is the topic based test. Now you're also having 20 plus online mock tests, which are basically customized and made by architects, and it is just like the real NATA examination. Also you will get access to all the NATA previous year papers, which is very helpful for everybody. And yeah, that's probably it. And this all content which you will get will probably help you to score as good as possible and one of the highest scores in the NATA 4th attempt examination. To enroll in this course, you can simply click on enroll now, which is visible over here right in the front, and you will get to see a registration form which you can fill, and then after filling this form you can simply click on pay now, and all the options, the online payment options, the UPI, cash card, everything would be available after you click on the pay now button. So that's probably it. And guys, try to enroll as soon as possible by today or tomorrow, because it is designed so that you can complete it within 15 days. So if you enroll later, then it will be difficult for you to complete this entire course, right? So thank you so much guys for watching this video. Also, I would like to mention that the results of SSAC are record breaking, and all this content, all the live classes and all the ebooks are tried and tested. If you see Riddhi Garg's interview, which I just uploaded 1 to 2 days back, she's already mentioned that she attended all the live classes, attended all the tests, mock tests, and basically that was it for her to score the top marks in the examination and get into CEPT University. So it is all tried and it is all tested. If you follow these live classes and ebooks 110%, you're going to get the top marks. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope that you liked the video. Now whatever confusions, doubts and anything you still want to ask, please feel free to comment down below. We will make sure that we reply to every single person and help you with your doubts and confusions. If still you want, to interact with us a little bit more, then you can call us on our number, which is 888-2908-615, which is also visible on the screen. Also, you can WhatsApp us also on this number. So don't worry about anything and feel free to ask your doubts and confusions anytime you want to connect with us. So we are just one call or one message away from you. So yeah, that is it for this video, and let us meet in the next video. Bye.